Hello and welcome to the Agent Survival Guide podcast. This is our series, Agent Apps. I'm your host, Tina Lamoureux. This series introduces you to apps that will make daily life and your business run smoother. From fitness, travel, to personal planners, and more, we've tested them all. This week, we have apps that will assist you on your next move, whether that's moving across town or moving across country. These two apps will make that process a lot simpler. My first app is called MovingBoxes. This app is a to-do list, house inventory system, and personal helper right in your pocket. All you need to create an account is an email and password. Once you create your account, you can create your relocation by entering where you're moving from, where your destination is, how many boxes you'll need, and the move date. You can also invite others via email to share your plans with them. MovingBoxes is similar to the popular app called Move Advisor, which got a lot of mixed reviews. It was featured on many top moving app articles, but when I read the customer reviews, a good number claimed that after entering their personal information into the app, they started to receive spam calls. So I decided to keep looking, and that's when I found MovingBoxes. With this app, I will admit that the user interface is not the most intuitive. It felt like I was given too many unnecessary options when it came to menu options, specifications about boxes and room size. Maybe others like that level of detail, but not me. Something interesting about this app is it's a German app, so if you're moving to a different country, maybe those specifications come in handy. A lot of the moving companies that partner with MovingBoxes are actually in Germany. I only found two that were located in the US, one in California and one in Washington, D.C. So if you're moving within the United States, I don't think the helpers and movers portion of the app will be that useful. Another thing to mention is when I reset my password, the email they sent me was all in German. Here are some things that I really liked about MovingBoxes. You can select box size, what room it's for, if it's heavy or breakable, and if it's packed or unpacked. You can create an inventory of your entire house, organize those items into boxes, and you can print out an inventory sheet and QR labels for those boxes. When you scan the QR code, it will tell you what's in the box. You can print out 20 labels for free. Both the inventory and labels are limited to 20 entries unless you want to pay $1.99 for unlimited printing. You can purchase other different perks in the app, but besides the unlimited printing ability, nothing else caught my eye. There's a pre-made checklist of things you need to do before you move, like what to do weeks before, 2 weeks before, the day of, and after you move. They already have an extensive list on there, but you can also customize it yourself. Overall, I think MovingBoxes would be great for moves where you're going a long distance or have a lot of inventory. It'll help you keep track of everything. This app is available for download on Android. If you're an iOS user, try out the app Moving Organizer Pro. It has similar features to MovingBoxes, good reviews, and it's ad-free. And it's only 99 cents in the App Store. The second app I have for you was suggested by Chase Arnold, our social media specialist. So thanks for the recommendation, Chase. This app is called Room Planner Home Interior 3D. With this app, you can virtually design and plan out your home. There are paid plans, but you can use basic features for free. Room Planner has computer-generated rooms, which you can customize by room dimension, or you can take a panoramic picture of the room with your camera. Then the decorating fun starts. This app supplies a variety of colors, flooring, furniture, shelving, windows, doors, artwork, anything you need for your home. Once you have it decorated how you want, you can export the plans and share them with others. There's a weekly subscription for $5.99, a monthly subscription for $14.99, and a yearly subscription for $74.99. Unless you're a professional interior designer or perhaps you're completely remodeling your home, I don't think you need to purchase the pro version of the app. I was satisfied redesigning a room with just the free version. Room Planner Home Interior 3D is available for iOS, Android, and as a Windows app. Thank you so much for watching. We're always curious of what great apps you like to use on a daily basis. So don't hesitate to let us know in the comments. As always, we'll see you next episode.